Disastrous beauty. Disastrous beauty. It's disastrous beauty. It's the way for me. It's disastrous beauty. Change up your look daily. Disastrous. It's disastrous beauty. It's the way for me. It's disastrous beauty, baby. It's disastrous beauty. Change up.
I'm telling you that there ain't no other way. Pack your bags and then you will go away. I'm not gonna be begging you to stay. Said maybe if you asked me yesterday, I would handle this shit differently. Things are different, I'm a new me. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. So even if you're asking, even if you're asking, 'cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new, yeah. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make it grow. Can make it grow. Can make it grow. Ooh. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot, telling you it ain't what I thought. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot, 'cause I don't really like what I got, so I changed it bit by bit. It's not ungrateful, just being helpful for me and you. 'Cause we gotta go our own way, gotta go our own way, yeah. This was not a good stay, gotta go our own way. 'Cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new, yeah. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make it grow. Can make it grow. Can make it grow. I don't appreciate the chase. Now there's nothing here for me, yeah. I gotta go, I'll fly away to a new space. You know, I don't appreciate the chase. Now there's nothing here for me, yeah. I gotta go, I'll fly away to a new space. 'Cause gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make it grow. Can make it grow.
Okay, y'all. So I'm obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and all the good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay, so the new unit that I am rocking is by Hairvivi. Shout out to you, Hairvivi, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. If you guys have not been rocking with me for a minute, then you may or may not know that this company always come through with the come through. Okay, y'all, they always come through with the come through. So they sent me out this little script, and you guys know I'm nobody's actor. Okay, my memory is like this, so I like to read off the script. So it says, we noticed that there is only one color choice of silicone stickers on the market, and the color is too light for most black beauty. Customers always need to put the foundation to match their own skin tone. After many adjustments and tests, we developed two colors of the true scalp tape with which most customers can get the right colors. So they did send out two different tapes, and I'll show you guys that on the screen. It says, during the development process, we also found new material, thinner and more breathable, which makes the true scalp can replace the traditional fake scalp. So basically now you can use this tape instead of it having that standard, this is our fake scalp method. They come with two different tapes. So you can put that tape here like I did, or or you can, you know, put it wherever you want to, wherever your part is at. It says, after many attempts, we researched and developed multiple different colors of the HD lace. Choose the right color, get the most natural hairline, no foundation needed, more invisible than original HD Swiss lace. So, I'll be showing you guys all of the things. And the colors come in Mocha and Cappuccino. And honestly, I used the Cappuccino one and I feel like it looks good. I feel like it blended well. I didn't use the Mocha one. I still have it, although Angel is determined to tear it up. Okay, so this is Mocha versus the Cappuccino. And you can choose which one you feel like is the most appropriate. I feel like the Cappuccino goes best with my complexion. But they also have this Mocha one as well, which is a little bit darker. It's a darker shade. So those are the laces that they sent me. It says new wig cap construction. It says larger than normal 13 by 6 on the sideburns, which can achieve the true deep side parting style. So I did an extreme deep side part. As you guys can see, I was able to do that. I was able to do that with no problem. And it says, give more security with Glueless install, prevent slipping of the band. And they're talking about this elastic band. And I showed you guys that at the beginning. I'll also insert that so you guys can see where they have this, like the elastic band they have, it has this no slip type of grip on it. And all of those things are pluses. Okay, so that is basically it as far as the details and specs that they sent me about this unit. If you're interested in any more, just check the description box because you guys know. Child, I don't have them on hand, but they'll be listed down below for your convenience. Now, as far as shedding and tangling, there has not been any of things. Like, look at this hair. It's super short, and it's more of a body wave sort of texture. I did not expect any shedding or tangling. If I had got it, child, she would have returned to sender. Okay, girl? So, I did not get any of things with this unit, which is always a plus. As far as it being big head friendly, in my opinion, it is. I did have to adjust the straps and I did adjust the elastic band. I would recommend, like with this unit, I'm not sure if it comes in different sizes, but I honestly believe that you can make this unit work at any size because it has that elastic band. You may have to cut off more lace if you are, or if you are a smaller cap size, but I feel like even with this cap size, you can still make it work. And as far as the hairline, as far as bleaching and all that, honey, honestly, she woke up like this, okay, girl? She woke up like this.
I woke up like this, flawless.
I did not have to touch her. I did not have to do any of the things. So keep that in mind as well when it comes to this unit. And that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs on this unit. If you're interested in my pros and cons, then please continue to watch. Okay, so let's start with the cons because I like to end on a high note. The only con I could think of with this unit is when using the tape, I don't know if it's reusable. I think it is, but I could be wrong. And if, like, when you get units like this, when you get a frontal, the whole purpose of getting a frontal is so you can change the parting. If you can't move the tape and reuse it, then is it beneficial? Like, so that is the only con that I could think of with this wig because there are no other cons, honey. Okay? There are no other cons. My pros are, I love the tape. I love the idea of the tape, but I also just love the overall unit. I don't feel like tape is necessarily necessary, but it's an added bonus because I feel like the hairline is perfect. I feel like the lace is perfect. I feel like they really did their due diligence as far as this unit goes. So honestly, I don't have any cons. I love the length. This is great mom everyday sort of hair. You guys know, if you watch me, I am mom. Okay, I am mom every day, all day. So I love a good mom wig. So to me, the wig is everything. The color, the style, all of it. I love all the things. All the things. Yes, I would recommend not only this unit, but I would recommend this company overall. This company always come through with the come through. Yes, it leans more so on the expensive side, but I feel like it is worth the expenses. So yes, I definitely would recommend this unit. Alright y'all, so I'm going to give you guys a full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, let me know down below what you guys think about this unit. Let me know if you're feeling it. Let me know if it's your jam or no. Let me know down below in the comments. I am interested in your thoughts and opinions. Once again, shop you Hairvivi for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. And yeah, y'all, that's all.
That's all.
So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click the subscribe button. It's not costing not one red cent. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Healthy Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousBeauty on Twitter. And I will see you lovebirds next time. Bye.
Your love completely got every styles and weekly.